do 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello everyone! Welcome to English Majors Be Like. I'm over here. My name is Akbar Pangeran Siregar. You may call me Go Bear. So I am here as the host for this podcast, and I'm here joined by my co-host.
My name is Nabila Zuki, but you can call me Suki, and this is our first ever episode in
First
English
ever.
Major Be Like. And this podcast will tell you about how is it actually feel as a student in English major from a daily classes, assignment, also personal life. And today we have our two beautiful guests here in this morning. And hi Kak.
How you guys doing? Are you doing well?
We're doing good.
Okay.
We're supposed to be at home right now.
No,
Yeah, I
me
know.
too.
We all agree to. We all should be at home. Oh my gosh. You know.
We have a few questions here.
We just gotta ask right now from the start. But you know what? Let's get to know each other a little bit. Have you noticed my co-host over here?
You've already known me.
Yeah, I mean, like, we're from the same class though, right?
Yeah.
What class are we from? B for what? Better, best, everything,
Okay.
Well, we got some audience over there being loud, but it's okay. We gotta talk about that. So, for the first couple of questions, I gotta ask, as you guys being here as a Pilma Press, so what motivated you to join the Pilma Press competition?
So maybe we can start from Safin.
Who goes?
So actually, I just want to challenge myself.
Okay.
Yes, I want to enhance my public speaking skills too, and then
That's good.
I want to prove to my parents, of course, that I can be the best. Actually, what about Cynthia? Same thing with Safin, but actually I was there because I was FOMO.
Okay.
It's okay.
All agree.
I saw that this will be a wonderful experience, so I tried to put myself into that challenge, even though I have a lot of things to be worried about. Contohnya kayak sebenarnya itu kan namanya Pilma Press ya, but I was worried prestasi aku tuh apa sih, kayak gitu kan. Jadi tadinya itu sempat worry gara-gara itu, tapi karena di push because of my friend's support, I dare to chance myself to put myself into the experience.
Okay, that's great. That's a great explanation.
I'm happy, like, these people are from my class. I can't believe my friends are doing this, Like, challenging yourself.
You can be the one to.
Yeah, but I don't want to. I mean, you guys already get chosen, right? I got that lazy on me, but I don't know.
Okay.
But that was great from you guys, So the next question I gotta ask, so how was your journey, like, until you became a faculty level Pilma Press?
Honestly, it wasn't easy, right? It was not
It was
a
not.
journey. I wouldn't call it a journey because we were given a very short amount of time for preparation.
really?
It's around 2 weeks. No, nggak sampai 2 weeks nggak sih?
That short?
Around 5 days actually. Yeah, 5
Oh.
days. Yeah, so the information, we received the information 5 days before the competition actually. Yeah, and they claim that the information from the pusat is also late. That's why they inform to us late as well. Jadi kayak waktu prepare kami itu cuma 5 hari, dan dalam 5 hari itu kita harus collect our certificate, make proposal or creative idea. How do you solve the problem in your environment? How do you contribute to, at least to your faculty first, and then become
Okay.
in Pilma Press?
That's impressive. In only 5 days, I would not expect that because it was very fast
Pressure.
and short. Yeah, the pressure is very high.
We were chasing time.
But that's such impressive of you guys.
It's so
Because you can finish it in only 5 days.
Give me 2 weeks. Hey, shout out to B, man. I'm so proud of B class over here. Hey, shout out to every class, though. I love every class.
And
I'm
it
like-
was actually during the final semester exam, so it was double pressure.
With that so much going on, and you guys still do it? Hey, we gotta give props again, man. Clap it up one more time. Clap it up, dude.
Actually, we have to balance. We have to balance the presentation and the proposal itself, the final exam
Right.
also.
Damn. Give me 2 weeks, I couldn't even do anything. These guys do it in 5 days. That speaks volumes. Yeah, that's impressive. So it is really impressive. Like, so I gotta say next. So you guys did this. Like, you faced this challenge, but I gotta ask something out of Pilmapres. So what has been the biggest challenge you faced during college? Like every experience.
I think the biggest challenge that we need to face is balancing our activities.
Right.
Because other than going to college, we also have organizations. Probably some of them have started to work,
Right.
and also some of them might have getting internships. So balancing all of these things might be the biggest challenge for us. What about you, Safin?
For me, same as Cynthia. Maybe time management. We have to improve our time management skills, especially how the academics, organization, internship life, work life, it all came at once at the same time. Yes, so it wasn't easy at all.
I mean, that comes up my next question. I gotta say, like, how do you balance these things? How do you balance
I already answered it.
the academics organization? Can you say it again? Like, explain it again. I'm genuinely curious.
Okay. So actually, how we manage our time is
Right.
by doing time blocking. Have you ever heard about that?
No.
Time
Explain
blocking.
to me, explain to
Time
me.
blocking is actually, for example, this is Saturday.
Right.
So tomorrow at Saturday at
Wait,
8.
this is Saturday and tomorrow is
No,
Saturday?
no, for example,
You mean Sunday?
For example, this
Okay,
is
for
Friday,
example.
Friday
Right,
night.
right.
Okay, for
right.
example, this is Friday night, and then I'll be thinking, what will I be doing tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
So I make the time blocking. The time blocking. So actually, we got the to-do list,
Right.
but based on the time. At 8 a.m., what should we
Mm-hmm.
do? 9 a.m. like that. That's
Also, you schedule the time
The
from
time, yeah.
here and teacher. What should I do?
yes.
Wow.
If we make the to-do list, only the to-do list without including the time,
Mhm.
maybe we got confused at the same time and lazy, and then what again? Yeah, got distracted from games, Roblox, TikTok.
Hey, I like Roblox, man.
Well, but I'm actually the opposite of Safin because Safin mentioned that she used time blocking. What should she do at 8 until 9 p.m. for example? But I myself don't find it effective because some things might happen outside of the schedule I've made. So I decide to. I still list down what should I do tomorrow, similar to Safin, but
Right.
I don't do the time blocking. So for example, tomorrow I need to work out and then I need to do my deadlines.
Mhm.
I need to go to somewhere. So I list it down and then tomorrow I will just do it based on which most important first, which one I should do first. So I don't get pressure karena kalau udah ada jadwal kadang kayak jatuhnya terlalu strict sama diri sendiri kan ke pressure. Aduh, udah mau jam 9 nih tapi kerjaan yang ini belum selesai. Jadi kayak kadang ya udah tertekan sendiri gitu. Jadinya biasanya aku nulis dulu mau ngapain. Ya udah besok tinggal dikerjain gitu.
Okay, that's why every person, every student
It's different.
has their own time management.
Management skills, yeah.
Their own techniques to balance their life.
I mean, this is a good important lesson, man. If ever someone is listening out there,
Maybe you can apply that too.
yeah, you don't have to follow one single person.
I
You
will
can just
try because
keep it your own, make it
that
your
is our
own.
regimen. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. But let's stop asking this heavy question. Like let's break it. Let's talk about something we like. So, what was your most memorable moment so far in college?
Maybe we can start from Safin.
Actually, I don't get what's the memorable.
Oh, you gotta have some memorable moments. Come on, I like it here. What do you mean?
Actually, Pilmapres is also the memorable one.
Right.
The challenging one.
The challenging one. Okay.
Most fancy one. The hardest one. Yes. Pilmapres. What about Cynthia? You got the same too?
I agree that Pilmapres is one of the most memorable moments during my college journey, but I also find that INSI's anniversary is the same.
Yes, of course. Yeah,
So coming soon.
it's coming soon.
It's coming soon this year, and for the batch that are bertanggung jawab for that
In charge of yes.
anniversary,
Yes, for the event.
we were given very much experience how to handle an event, how to organize our schedule, aligned with the college as well. So it was a wonderful experience.
Wonderful, but
Yes.
there was also
Some harsh.
horrible moment.
Yeah, we don't need to brag about that.
Yeah, I mean,
I actually understand that. Okay.
yeah, can't wait for MC. When is it again?
It's his anniversary.
MC anniversary. Yeah. It's cowboy theme, I think that's it for me. I gotta give it back to Suki here. I think Suki got some question of herself.
I have 5 more questions
Oh my
here.
god.
But really simple, like, it's not that hard. So the first question is, what are your top tips for student who wants to become the next Pilma Press? Because I'm kind of interested.
Ooh, share the secret.
Yes, you should try that. Actually.
Oh, can I still try it?
No.
Oh, I can't. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you will graduate soon.
Okay, let's share the secret. Go on.
Every students can try that too. So don't overthink like tapi aku nggak pinter gitu. So, actually pinter is also salah satu syaratnya. IPK maybe above 3.5.
3.5. Right.
The IPK is 3.5, above 3.5, and also you actually only gonna see about how the problem is in your environment right now, and how you solve it and how you contribute it. That's it.
From me, one thing I noticed that also give me pressure during the Press Day is
Right.
I noticed that most of them is actually well prepared, and by what I mean well prepared is that they actually have the product of the solution. So let's say yang kemarin tuh mahasiswa kedokteran ya kalau nggak salah.
Iya.
Ya,
Oh.
dia itu menciptakan obat kanker dari bawang. And he actually has done the experience,
Wow.
experiments, I think. Yes, done the experiments.
That is very hard to
He
compete with.
actually have the product already.
Iya.
So, kalau kita disandingkan sama dia, rasanya kayak kayak gitu lah kan. Jadi dari sana, berarti memang Pilma Press ini adalah sebuah competition yang harus dipersiapkan dari jauh-jauh hari. Nggak bisa dalam 5 hari itu. And we just knew it by the time we received our prize that day with Ma'am Tira. So she mentioned that Pilma Press is actually a yearly competition. So if you want to compete in this competition, you should prepare from now. Jadi biar nggak kayak kami yang dalam 5 hari itu harus mengejar semuanya.
Yeah, that is actually good information. So, actually, I researched about how we make coffee liquid soap.
Oh, right.
Coffee. So the liquid soap is made from waste coffee. Waste
Okay.
coffee that comes from cafe around Usu.
Right.
Yes. So it actually is so hard for me. So I need to do the experiment, but only 5 days.
It's impossible.
It's impossible, right?
Mhm.
So I don't bring the product, and then the judges, and then jurinya ngomong kayak gini, kenapa kamu nggak bawa produknya? Kalau kamu bawa produknya, kamu bisa jadi juara kayak gitu. So the competition is like, jangan berangan-angan saja. So you prove it by the physics, like that.
Oh, right.
But that's actually impressive in just 5 days. With that, someone who has the cure for a cancer.
It's very hard to compete with. I mean, I gotta give props to you guys. For me, if I get sent to that, I'm gonna just give up already, man. But like,
Aku mengundurkan diri sih karena denger ada orang yang bisa nyembuhin.
udah nggak sih?
Ya kan, kayak iri gitu kan. But I believe some of the solutions that they offer is actually from their college assignments. Kayak kadang kan kita ada project-project gitu
Iya.
kan.
Kebanyakan
Kayaknya dari situ terus mereka ngembangin dan dibawa ke Pilma Press ini.
they just offer an idea.
Iya.
Sedangkan kakak-kakak di sini prepare cuma 5 hari.
Benar-benar 5 hari gitu.
But I want to try that too. It's interesting to me. And maybe we will move to the next question. The next question is how do you stay motivated when you feel tired or experience any failure during college?
Tired.
Kok tired
Sleep.
istirahat gak sih?
Yeah, sleep. So I'm not the kind of student that study every night.
Right.
Me too.
Yes, so I don't force myself to become the best to study to get pressure like that. So I just if I feel tired,
Play
so I
Roblox.
scroll TikTok.
Yeah. Play Roblox.
Yeah. And whatever.
Tapi kalau capek memang we should take a rest,
Yes.
right? Kalau memang capek ya udah istirahat, tapi
Jangan
jangan
kebablasan.
kebablasan.
Iya.
Jangan
Okay.
kebablasan.
I'm
Memang
taking notes.
ya, memang kalau masalahnya kita tuh kalau udah istirahat kadang suka kebablasan.
Yeah.
Jadi memang it should come from ourselves. Memang harus dari kita sendiri. Memang harus kita sendiri yang bisa mendisiplinkan diri kita sendiri.
You fight with yourself.
Iya, melawan diri sendiri. Itu sih.
Benar sekali, saya sering kebablasan main Roblox. Mengingat kata-kata itu. So we move to the third question for me. Is there any favorite book or figure or source of inspiration that help you succeed?
Sapin go first.
I'm sorry.
Maybe a certain special someone.
No, that is not book or film or whatever. But have you ever heard about the idea from physics?
No.
Quantum mechanics actually.
What
No,
is
okay.
that?
Mechanical quantum. So
Okay.
it's
Oh, damn.
like this. Di versi yang lain, di dunia yang lain, sebenarnya kamu tuh udah nge-achieve dream tersebut. So it depends.
About it.
Yes, you heard. It depends on yourself. You choose yourself. Do you want to become a good or a success person, or become the failure person like that?
Is it the same thing with manifesting?
Yes,
Oh.
yes. The same, like law of attraction, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I knew about it.
Mhm.
So in law of attraction, we believe that we have achieved our best version of
Yes.
ourselves, and this law of attraction said that everything happens now actually comes from our mind. Our mind holds a very strong power. So what do you think right now will happen eventually? Jadi memang kadang akar-akar masalah itu kadang dari otak sendiri kan.
Right.
Overthinking.
Yeah.
Kadang udah ngerasa nggak pede duluan.
So we take the example from Dilma Present. Jadi ini kan ada kompetisi Dilma Pres gitu. So I already know in other universe I've already got that, got the Dilma Pres.
Whoa.
But in other universe I'm a failure because I'm not even trying to compete with other students. So me myself choose what version that I want to be.
Okay.
So you must put effort to.
Yes,
Of course, of course.
You gotta be the best in every universe, yeah.
Make it work. And I heard about a lot of attraction too from Kendall Jenner.
It's not about that.
It's very popular on TikTok too. So yeah, that's a very good inspiration for me. And maybe we will move fast to the next question. How do you overcome self-doubt, fear about your own abilities?
Overcome self-doubt and fear. Actually, I have no special tips for that because the fears come from things that I actually want to achieve. Jadi kayak mau nggak mau harus dilewatin gitu.
Hmm.
Memang harus memaksakan diri sih kalau aku. Setakut apapun memang kalau nggak dicoba ya nggak tahu juga kan hasilnya.
Right.
Penasaran terus nanti kalau misalnya nengok orang lain yang sanggup achieve kita kadang kayak kalau kemarin aku coba kayaknya bisa gitu kan.
I feel like I can do it, yeah.
Jadi kayak kadang memaksakan diri aja sih kan nothing to lose kan. Terus kalau sampai gimana?
Same as Cynthia. So actually I got the pressure from my parents to like I have to become the best. So for example I got the fourth winner Harapan 1. So and my parents will be like, why not you become the first like that? So
Oh.
I have to challenge myself every time.
Every stereotype.
that's very impressive. You can overcome any fear, especially dari kak kakak kalau misalnya takut ya coba aja. Karena aku juga ngerasain kalau misalnya aku ngeliat temen aku, ya dia menang kan. Kalau misalnya aku coba, mungkin aku bisa menang juga gitu kan.
Karena memang ya udah
Ya
aku
udah, tapi kita udah tahu experience-nya itu gimana.
law of attraction
Ya, ya.
Back to the book again.
Gitu.
Yeah.
Oke, ini last question yang agak serius. Is any advice on facing academic and non-academic challenge at the same time?
Sapin dulu deh.
Academic and non-academic challenge. Actually, like I said before, see, time blocking. But every person has their priority. It depends on the person. For me, myself, actually, academics is regular classes. College is my priority. Then organization. So I put the academic first.
I can tell from you look, you're a very structured person. I can tell you're a very smart and structured person. Okay.
Yeah, thank you for the compliment.
Oh, thank you so much. That is so nice.
Okay, that's the 10 question we have. And maybe we should just move into the fun segment. Jadi kita akan ada Q&A yang lebih relax tentang hobi.
Ya,
Mau tenang aja, tenang.
Relax dulu aja. Stretching. Oke, ini mau yang nanya siapa? Abang?
Boleh sama-sama aja sih kita omongin.
Oke. Pertanyaan pertama itu, what your favorite English word? For me, I can say it here, but I don't know if I bisa. I can say it here. English word.
It could be anything.
It
Yeah,
could be anything.
be anything.
Yeah.
From Cynthia?
Maybe from classic novel. Who had this?
English word kata kan?
Iya, kata.
Or maybe like a saying, like a quote. Yeah, like a quote.
Quote. Apa ya? Apa Sapin kepikiran nggak?
Ayo apa Sapin?
What?
Apa ya, aduh. Ayo.
Agak bingung sih. Yes. Can you tell me the specific one?
Specific like example.
Coba dari kalian deh.
Iya, coba dari kalian deh.
Oh, are you guys throwing the questions at me? Okay, for me, I gotta say, my favorite saying is, the best way out is to go through. Yeah. Good reference over there. So
Like motto?
maybe like a favorite saying, like a favorite word, like it goes stuck with you
Oh,
every
it
day.
could be word, could be sentence.
Yeah.
No.
We got that. I mean, you do get what I'm like my favorite saying, right?
Of course, I think I have one similar. It's still connected to the law of attraction, which is fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you make it.
Clock it.
Bukan berarti sama.
Oh, clock that. Fake it till you make it.
Actually.
Well, everybody gotta have
Do
one.
anything, maybe?
I can do anything.
I can do anything if I. Udah.
Okay. Oh. Come on, there's gotta be something. Masa cuman I can do anything? Narcissistic much? Oh, no, I'm kidding. Oh, don't get started me. I'm sorry. Come on, you gotta have something.
What? My motto from KKMB lah.
I mean, you can use that. Bisa juga.
I don't even remember. Or in Indonesia, so.
I'm learning actually.
Or maybe we just skip that.
Yeah, maybe
question.
just skip that. Let's move to the next one. You know, this is my favorite one. Do you guys prefer British accent or American accent?
Or
British.
British.
But we can't afford to speak like British. Yeah.
But why not? I mean, you can always try. Like you could say, "Fake it till you make it," right?
Yeah, but I don't think it plays like that.
I mean, you could always try.
Yeah, I can try, but talking about accent, I think
Come on.
I'm more into accent is actually I like Singlish. Yeah.
Singlish?
Or English.
Ooh.
English is the easiest.
Wait, how does that sound like?
Cynthia maybe.
Yeah, I feel like I don't want to say it. You know. Come on, Cynthia, take it.
You can do it lah.
Oh, you can do it lah. Okay lah. Wait, so add la every the end of the sentence?
Not really.
You see, I told you already not to do that, but you keep doing it.
Whoa. I feel the anger over there. Holy.
So it
Okay.
was very, apa ya, kayak pronounce-nya tuh kayak
Malay nggak sih? Ada Malay.
Ada.
I mean, we got a Malaysian people over here. He can demonstrate if he wants. You can come in the stage. But yeah, I mean, I like Malay
English
too.
tuh lebih ringan sih.
Iya. Karena satu rumpun nama Indo.
Mm.
Okay, next.
No, how about you, Suki? What's your favorite accent?
White girl accent.
White girl accent. Oh my god, clock that. Diva out. Girl, stop. Oh my god. Wait, is it like that? I think it's like that. Did I do that perfectly? Oh god. I'm thinking about myself.
White girl.
Stop it. Alright, so the next question.
Okay, you need to be serious. Okay.
Okay, lock in. Let's be serious, you guys.
Okay, the next question is first English movie or book you love, because I heard from your friend that you are a romantic person.
Ooh. Yeah, move your book. You're a romantic person? Do you got a certain special someone waiting at home? Okay, let's not dive that. Okay, let's go.
The first movie, English movie that I found interesting is, it's not a movie, it's a series.
Oh,
Netflix
Netflix.
Oh.
series.
Yes.
Twilight.
Oh, Twilight.
I know if you watch it nowadays, it will be very cringe. The acting, I know, but back to the days, it was a huge fans among us, among the teenagers, and I watched that when I was in primary school. So
Oh.
I found it really cool to be a vampire. GGS nggak sih? Enggak.
So what's the Indonesian version of it?
No,
GGS.
Dude, he like that, right?
I found it so pretty. Indonesian version. How about Safin?
For me, it's Netflix series. So the title is The Crown. Have you ever heard?
Oh, I know that.
So The Crown is
I don't know that.
the series about Queen Elizabeth's life and King Charles' life. So yes, I fall in love with British accent by watching The Crown.
Oh, can you demonstrate the British accent?
About
Well, a little bit.
Harry Potter.
Okay. A bit love the accent you got there, mate.
I really love that.
Okay. Next question. I think you might want to ask that.
I mean, I don't really like this question, but we just gotta ask it. Most confusing grammar rule.
Oh, actually, grammar is a whole disaster.
Disaster.
Grammar is easy but hard at the same time.
Yeah.
Nggak sih? Iya, kalau udah grammar udah lah biasa feeling sih.
Feelings.
Matematikanya English juga.
Iya.
Depends. Sebenarnya kan daily life we just talk about present, continuous, and then past, right?
Tiba-tiba
Tapi
ada
kalau misalnya ada past,
past
perfect,
continuous.
so
future continuous. Kenapa digabung-gabungkan gitu? Terus grammar yang ini kayaknya basic sih, cuman pas diterapin tuh kadang masih bingung itu preposition. And. Jadi kayak ini pakai at atau in atau on itu ya udah feeling aja.
Oh yeah.
Jadi kayak misalnya how would you say the
I actually can make the diagram which one when we use on, when we use at.
so
Yes,
at is this one.
I was a teacher too.
So at is this one.
Huh?
At.
What? At place.
Okay.
I'm so lost here.
The easy one actually when we talk about address. Address itu kan kayak on, in, at, we confuse, right? Jadi kalau misalnya why am I teaching you?
I mean, like, this is a good lesson. I'm listening.
That's okay.
For our audience.
Okay.
So
Jadi kalau misalnya kayak the specific, address specific itu kita pakai on.
Hmm.
kalau spesifik pakai on.
Yes. Kalau misalnya jalan jalan universitas sampai kecamatan yang disebutin, kelurahannya disebutin tuh pakai on actually. And no.
Whoa. This is not a valid source.
At.
Okay, ad. So we use ad.
Misalnya on itu cuma jalan aja. In itu specific building you want to talk about.
Selain building, kalau ada time,
Kalau ada time itu pasti at.
oh ya,
Iya.
how would you say I am good in dancing at
I'm
dancing?
I'm good at dancing actually.
I'm good at dancing.
Still don't get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm so confused too. Yeah.
Yes. Let's we study with maybe Ma'am Ellie ya.
Right. It's English grammar.
Ciao.
Thank you, Ma'am Ellie, for giving us the permission to use this word. I mean, like, I'm a little bit cold, but it's okay. It's a good room.
Okay, this is a very last question, maybe a long one, or maybe you just don't know what to answer. Dream job after graduation.
I would pretend I didn't listen.
Actually, when I was a kid, I want to become a policewoman.
Ooh.
But I've already changed it actually, and then maybe after graduate, I want to become a beauty content creator.
Ooh.
What about Cynthia?
Actually, when I was a kid, my dream is to be a teacher, and I've achieved it today. I was a private tutor, but I found it very hard to deal with children, especially if they
Believe that.
tantrum. Yes, I couldn't manage my emotional to keep stable. So, talking about dream job, I actually still have no idea, but I would try everything that I can. As long as I still have time, I still have the ability to try. I would try everything that I could.
Oh, you're asking me too?
Dream job.
Dream job. We're talking about realistic or like a kid? I mean, as a kid, I want to be anything. I want to become an astronaut, a pilot,
Yeah, I would like to
everything.
become doctor, pilot. at the
Yeah,
same
that
time.
too. But right now, yeah, I think.
Part-time
No. I don't want to become like that. No. I think that's about me. I mean, can we skip it to Suki? How about you, Suki?
Wow. I don't know actually.
Roblox content creator. And that's a good job.
Making that.
Yeah, you.
Buat map nggak sih? Biar
Yang desain baju itu apa? UGC ya? UGC.
Okay. But there's so
It
many
could work.
options. Be rich. I don't know. After I graduate, I want to be rich. That's it. Everyone asking what your dream job? Be rich. Nothing else.
Be rich.
Or
Yes.
Nepo baby.
realistic.
Realistic.
Okay. We don't have any more question here.
What are we looking at?
How long have we been talking?
Okay.
There's a last closing sentence. I want you guys to give 1 to 2 sentence what being an English major means to you guys.
Hard.
Hard?
And hard.
Come on, don't scare the young people over here, man.
Stereotype is like, who do you want to become to? Teacher?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a very harsh saying. Yeah.
The question from Bapak Gojek. Adek mau jadi apa? Guru ya? Diam aja nggak tahu.
Padahal kan English literature kan banyak loh
It's a
sebenarnya.
Flexible major for me.
So you can work at multinational.
We can work abroad, ya. Tapi memang kalau mau work abroad harus dibarengi sama skill lainnya.
Iya.
Nggak bisa talk di English doang.
Yeah.
Additional
For example,
skill itu penting sih.
like Akbar and Suki kan. Oh my god. Maybe
Oh my God.
Maybe you can be a host maybe or
Talk show
presenter.
No, we are already host and co-host. What do you mean? What do you mean? What's up? English majors be like, man. Stay tuned for the next episode. Sorry. Let's go listen to
We
you.
love our host and co-host here because they are so
Cool.
Handsome?
good, good looking, and then
Oh, thank you.
what ya? Klaim sih. Thank you.
No. Got me teary-eyed. But yeah, I mean, I gotta say, you guys are amazing too. You know, like
So I just want to say thank you so much udah
Thank you guys so
nyempatin
much.
waktu hari ini di hari libur ini yang seharusnya kita semua tidur sampai siang.
Betul kali.
Saya juga mau tidur. This is such an amazing apa ya, kayak gambaran untuk kita juga sebagai adik-adik tingkat. Tips-tips dari kakak-kakak ini sangat bermanfaat sih untuk kita, jadi we should listen and take notes. Apa aja next episode?
I mean, we gotta tease them a little bit. You know, we can't just tell everything about the next episode. Just make sure, just to stay tuned, because we got more coming. Not only these two amazing people, but we got more people coming in and talk about how amazing it is being an English major's literature.
Comment down below for any suggestion for our next guest. Kalian bisa komen di bawah siapa sih yang pengen kalian lihat di sini ngobrol, atau is there any teas yang mau kalian dengar?
Oh, who we got next?
Atau dosen yang pengen kalian denger itu tips and triknya ya. Your guys favorite lecturer. Okay, so comment down below. Okay.
I think that's it. That's the closing time. Thank you so much for
Thank
tuning
you
in this
so much.
episode. We gotta say thank you for our guests.
Thank you.
And the camera over
So,
there.
okay.
Over there. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
So it's
Yay.
Distrust. I know I am crazy and a bit lazy, but I will try to bring you up again somehow. 'Cause I'm losing what's left of my dignity. A small price I'll pay to see that you're happy. Forget all the disappointments you have faced. Open up your worry world and let me in.